been doing concept idea for this project. I doing scripting on the device result wheel, and then the device will work about the purpose of this project. Okay, see you the next membership. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizal, and my focus in this project is in electronic and build the device for this project. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Arsan Kumalajaya. My focus in this project is video maker, writing flow activity, and algorithm on program. Thank you.
The problem we get is that people with disabilities have difficulty opening and closing door locks because the door locking is difficult to access for persons with disabilities. This is a problem that needs to be considered. What if there is no door lock specifically for persons with disabilities? Even if there is one that can be used comfortably, both for persons with disabilities and for people without disabilities, that's the problem we will solve in this project.
Resolving the problems described previously, we create a device that we name the Smart Locking System version 1, or we call SPC version 1, which is an intelligent locking system that works automatically in opening and closing door lockings. Besides, SPC version 1 can detect the user distance from the door. SPC version 1 can be used using only devices that have any version of Bluetooth connection. As you can see, SPC version 1 can be used with a smartphone, smartwatch, or speaker. This makes disabled people easily choose the most comfortable device to use. SPC version 1 uses MAC address Bluetooth on devices that are used as authentication materials. SPC version 1 store user MAC address data, so if it's not stored in SPC version 1, non-user cannot use SPC version 1. Not only that, the SPC version 1 is equipped with a user distance detection feature with a door, so that when the user is close to the door automatically without any interaction from the user, the door lock will open. Otherwise, if the user moves away from the automatic door, it can be locked. So SPC version 1 can be replaced by the lock depending on the user devices.
By using SPC V1, the problem of person with disabilities that we have described previously can be completely resolved. In this video, people with disability who use smartwatch as their Bluetooth device can easily open and close the lock without the need to control any device. Not only people with disability, even normal people feel helped by this locking. SPC V1 is very large, can increase human productivity in activities on opening and closing the door lock. Now, there are no more obstacles to open and close the door lock. Even though in a panic, it remains smooth in opening and closing the door lock. The speaker can also be a unique thing for opening and closing locks. SPC V1 is a device that were designed to solve the problem of persons with disabilities. People with disabilities are also human beings. We need to think about their issue in living life. With SPC V1, people with disabilities do not need other people in opening and closing the locks. No need to experience difficulties in opening and closing the locks. No need to worry about the privacy they have. Normal humans can also use SPC V1s in terms of increasing effectiveness in opening and closing door locks. We hope that we can produce this project widely to the community that exists throughout the world through the IEEE Industry Application Society. Okay, in this point of video, I want to thank you to the IEEE IAS CMD Humanitarian Project Contest 2019 for providing us with opportunities to solve humanitarian problem in our country. And thank you to Elias Palentai MN PhD as a mentor, and thank you for Dr. Mustari Lamada MT as project advisor. And the last, thank you to the Computer and Information Engineering Education Study Program, Faculty of Engineering, Makassar State University.